So, hello guys, how are you? It's Alejandra. So, this video is just to explain you the process we're going to have from now on to follow up our EP's journey and the integration we made with EXPA, Podio, and the website, right? We explained this in the webinar we had last Friday, but of course we as MC, we want you to all have the information, so we're going to explain it. Okay, Alejandra, but how is this working? I don't understand. So, great. You open your browser, so you go to, imagine that you are an EP. So you go to AIESEC.gr, and I'm going to Global Volunteer because I'm interested in this product. So I read, oh my God, this is amazing. I want to go on an exchange now. What should I do? Okay, so you fill your information. This is a test. Okay, so we needed to create a new email address, because if we want to create the EXPA profile, we need to put and to insert a new email address. So if you're going to test with an old email, an email address that already has a EXPA profile, it won't work. So we created this. We created this account that is Greece Test Website. So Greece Test Website.
At
gmail.com. So great. For example, this is of course an example. So Business College of Athens. And I have to create a password. Why? Because, as we said, automatically the EXPA profile will be created. So this password is for the EPs to put in EXPA, right? So it needs to have capitals, eight letters, and to have, of course, small letters. So and how did you heard about AIESEC? Of course, social media. And create. So as you can see, it was successfully created, the sign up. So what I want you to see now is, if we go to Podium, you need to be sure that you are in this space that is called AIESEC.gr, AIESEC Greece ORS. So you go here, you click here, and in this part you're going to see the three applications, oGV, OG, and OGT. As I created the sign up in the oGV space, so if I go here, you also can see here, but it's because of the activity, the recent activity. If you click oGV EXPA Web, you will see all the people that already applied from the website. So here I am, and it's the test. So what I want you to see now is, of course, we have the information that we asked them, and automatically, as I put Business College of Athens, automatically it goes to the LC it belongs. So in KUA, I can assign an EP manager. So for example, I will assign Giacomo Bertollo as my EP manager, and automatically the status is open. So the idea is, for you, when you start contacting them, you're going to start update this information in the status. So from EP status applicant, I say accepted. And that's it. And if you go to EXPA, you can find in my committees EPs
My piece, my comment is a piece. No, go. No.
So if you go to my committees EPs, you will see the profile that automatically was created. So Alejandra Nino, if you click it, it says that it's NKUA, and the email that I created, that is Greece test website. So automatically was created. Cool. So yes, so from now on, this is the process that we're going to follow. So if you're not in this Podio space, please ask to Giacomo to add you. And from now on, that today in less than 30 minutes we're going to launch the campaign. You have to make the follow-up of your EPs through Podio. Great.
Okay, so now I will talk about how oGV will process the EPs once in Podio. So how we are going to deliver the operations and to run operations through Podio. The first important thing is to add all your members and PMs in the Podio space. I already set a deadline for this, but for some reason, for induction postponed and stuff, we don't have all the membership in this week. So this is something that you have to do once you have all the members. How you're going to do it? You have just to click on invite, and from here you can or write the email of your members and PMs, or if they have already a Podio account, just add them. So once we created once we have all the things there, we are ready to work daily in Podio. As Alejandra said, Podio will be the only one workspace for oGV of AIESEC in Greece. We will not have other spreadsheet or other workplaces. We have just a national CRM in order to track our operations. So how we have to use it? When we are always taking the test, when we are here on the profile of the EP, we need to update for every action we do. So when an EP is accepted, we need to upload it, and we need to go on with the process also here in the CRM. So every time we are making a change, let's update it. But how we are going to interact also in Podio between our members and PMs? It's important to have a total overview of the EPs, also for example to know if the EPs want to go through the process or they withdraw the process. If they are on open, we cannot know if they want to apply or go on with the entire process. So there are two ways in which we can approach our membership or our PMs in order to make Podio easier. For example, here in the activity bars, we can add comments. So I can tag, for example, Alejandra. Okay. I can tag Alejandra and tell her something, like contact the EP. And I can add the comment. Then when she contacts the EP, she can also tag me and say which was the outcome of the call or the outcome of the info. So she can actually add a comment and say the EP left the process. The EP doesn't want to go on anymore with the process. This is very useful for us in order to know if also open EPs wants to go or doesn't want to go on with the process. Another way of communication in Podio is to add tasks. For example, I assign a task to everyone, new task on Alejandra. I can say book info in 24 hours. I can assign a responsible, which can be the EP manager, which can be one of our members. I put Alejandra as an example. I can also put a deadline next Monday and create a task. Alejandra, in this moment, will receive an automatic email from Podio that says that she has a task to contact this EP. So as you can see, the communication with your membership is way easier because you are using just a unique tool and you can interact in this tool. But Giacomo, what's happening if we will have 1,000 of applicants or 1,000 of signups? Podio is amazing because you can use filters. So here you can apply filters, for example, for LC. You can see for your LC which are all the EPs available. If I put now Athens, I can see there are no EP right now for Athens. But if I put UniP, I can see the 2 EPs available. Okay? Also, you can specify other filters, which can be EP manager, so you can filter the EPs for EP manager, which can be your PM, your members, whatever. For the status, so you can have an overview, how many people you have in open, how many people you have applied, how many people you have, so go on. And also on how did you hear about AIESEC. This is to actually evaluate our promotion. So the last thing, the communication we have also with the EPs, as said, if they have a new mail, they will get an email from the system once they apply. So when they apply from the website, they will have an automatic profile on EXPA, they will have an internal profile for our use in Podio, and also they will receive this email in order to push them to apply directly for opportunities. What is widely important for us as oGV sector for this campaign is to ensure that the funnel that we provide, the process that we provide to the EPs, is according the direction that me and Thanasis sent in the Synergy newsletter. The campaign is not just 6 weeks to impact and all the branding around this and all the material that we're going to promote around this. The campaign is also what IGV sector has to provide in matter of processes to the customers. So a part of the campaign is that the process should run a maximum in 10 days, and we need to have 3 physical touch points with them. Okay? So this is something that I wanted to clarify. I hope it's clear. Me and Alejandra say hello to you guys, and let's go to deliver this amazing campaign, All Eyes and Chris United. Bye bye.